kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Colors name: light green color, light green color, light gray color, light gray color, light brown color, light brown color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color, red color, red color, light green color, chocolate color, chocolate color, light brown color, light brown color. What is this? This is burger. Red color, red color. Yummy, yummy food. Yummy, yummy food. Purple color, purple color. One. O-N-E, one. Black color, black color. Two. T-W-O, two. Yellow color, yellow color. Three. T-H-R-E-E, three. Black color, black color. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Purple color, purple color. Five. F-I-V-E, five. Yellow color, yellow color. Six. S-I-X, six. Now we make little border for all circle. So kids, what is this? These are circles. These are circles. One, two, three, four, five, six. One circle, 1, 2 circle, 1, 2, 3 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circle. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.